Beautiful bread. I have had her ciabatta before. Very, very nice. Oh, spoilt rotten. Hello, it's been a while. It's been a while for a reason. Red zone, double red zone, lockdown. Can't go far, can't do much. Still in Ranong. It's pouring with rain. Not a lot. I mean, it's pouring with rain right at the moment. But yeah, can't really leave the province at the moment. Even the islands are closed now, so without a PCR test and this and that and a vaccination or one shot of a vaccination, you're not allowed to even go over to Koh Payam or Koh Chang at the moment. So the world's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Main street in the pouring rain. People start to double park and do all sorts of weird and bizarre things. I'm gonna tell you, when on days like this, it's bloody miserable around. You know, it's nice living in the tropics and whatever, but days like this, no thanks. This park on the corner, that'll do. Probably I don't know if you can see that, but police, is it? I don't know. Yep, police. They're up there, no shirts on. At least they've got t-shirts on, but they've had them push-ups now. I don't know if they're being punished or what, but they had them crawling along on their stomachs. This is the temple here for the a bit hard to see. I don't want to wind down the window, but the temple here, the first governor of Ranong's temple. But these guys might have done something wrong, or it might be discipline training, who knows. But there you go. God, they're filthy. I'm going to take off before they come down. Going to do a little bit of work now, so it's a saving grace. But I'm doing a hotel today in Norway. So I've been doing hotels from Japan all the way across. Now Norway is the furthest in that direction. So the Clarion Bastion Collection Choice something or other hotel, downtown Oslo I believe it is. Anyway, and do a bit of work. That's another time killer, thank God, and also beer coupons. That's what I was after. Trying to find the phone number to contact. That's +47. That's Noggy Land. Little flag comes up confirming I'm in the right country. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see there, I'll just cover some of those numbers over there. Little flag comes up. So that's where we're heading for this audit, which is yeah, in Noggy land, as I say. Hello. Hello, how are you? Very good, very good. I'm just, my camera's just come on there. Yeah, I'm just, I can switch it from this side, so I think, there we go. Hello, how are you? Look at this, still falling down. I don't know what they're going to do there, but every time I get a big bit of rain, down it comes. Landslide, landslide, there more. What can I say? It's not that long before this road is open. Well, in the rain, I guess it's going to take quite a few months yet, but oh, come on, you twats, bloody hell. Playing in the piss and rain. Don't see the point. This is one or two dogs that follows us around. He's got a stick because he sees us with sticks. Hả? Ồ,ไปไหนไม่รู้ อ๋อไม่เป็นไรใช่ไม่เป็นไรอันนี้ดีกว่า Rain's just stopped. Poor old Keddy's walking around in the pouring rain. That'll do. Yeah, that'll do.
ไม่ต้องกดใช่ไหม
ไม่ใช่เปิดแล้ว
โอเค
It's the field hospital over there. Look at that. Ambulance there and another car coming. Apparently there's 31 people in there at the moment. I don't know at what stage, what level.
Soon we will be in there.
Hold the breath as we finish this hole. Just hope I don't get crook as I finish up in there. Not so good. Yeah, that's the back. Some guys down there taking a break. Yeah, last week when we came through there's 31 people in there. This week there's over 100. First night as we came around here, a couple of kids come over to the fence here to say hello. Couldn't have been 10, 12. Saw there's a kid in there as well. Look at all that. Look at all their washing out the back. Look at that pile of rubbish there. God, I hope I don't get sick. Well, the rain stopped, temporary. Looking out there, lovely. Previn's waiting for me, sick of me taking video. Why don't you have a shot? Make it? Yes. Over. This dog follows you around the course. It's like some sort of guard dog. He walks ahead of us, shoos off any other dogs, any lizards. Found something in the tree there. Got away, whatever it was. Is this just beautiful or what? Play it backwards. Okay. A couple of quick beers after golf, but the weather's really gone. The weather's really gone tits up now. And it's bloody cold. I would say it's about, I don't know, 21, 22 degrees. That's cold. There's a cooler bar there. Long story, but a long story short, it's stolen. It belongs to somebody else. It belongs to an Australian friend of mine.
He was never using it anyway.
which was.
Whoa, look at that.
Ooh. Ooh. What is it?
It's tenderloin.
Tenderloin. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Smells good. Bloody hell, I've done well here. Finished a game of golf, just popped in a couple of quick beers at Preben's joint. It finished up with...
smoked tenderloin from Dick's smoker.
From the stolen smoker over there. Sorry, Dick, I'm trying my best to get it back for you, mate.
Very good. And then we have rullepølse.
Spell it.
Is thin slices with onion.
Looks good. There you go.
And now I have to go sleep on time.
Yeah. we've only had 2 beers. Don't worry about that. We're just that's all it is. But there it is. We're going to get that smoker. If I hadn't had too many beers, I'd probably throw that in the back of the car now. But don't worry, Dick. I've got my eye on it. We'll sort it. Open this bag here, but look at that. Oh, you can't smell that. But my God, this is Nong's ciabatta bread. Oh, the smell is just stunningly beautiful. It's beautiful bread. I have had her ciabatta before. Very, very nice. Oh, spoiled rotten. Oh, here we go again. I think I've told you before, Ranong, it's monsoon season, southwest monsoons, we're in Ranong, but it just doesn't give up. Jesus. You gotta like friggin' water to stay here, I can tell you. Yeah, you're gonna have a bit of a wander around back at home now, so a bit of a wander down the bottom of the block. There's been so much rain, there's all sorts of things go wrong down there, so we're gonna go and have a look and see what damage has been done. So, yeah, let's have a look. This is the bottom of the block. Been so much rain, this bottom half of the block's been flooding. So we'll come down and have a look and see. This stuff's pretty nasty, look. Oh, that's not this one, that one. Bamboo, but it's got pins and needles all over it. A nasty bugger, you wouldn't want to get stuck in there. There's around the corner. The rain stopped at the moment, but it's been pouring all morning. Sun's out. At about 10 minutes over the hill is the next storm. See all this red dirt. It's come with the roadworks on the mountain. It's all washed down the stream. It's all deposited here. Pretty good soil, I believe. There's coffee trees on this block as well. Durian, you know, and it. What's that? And it. That one's a durian tree. They've just taken the fruit off that. Apparently they got about 15-20 fruit off it, which I believe is about 10,000 baht, which is about $500 Australian. I never saw 1 cent of it. These are all coffee. Coffee, but it's not looked after anymore, this coffee, so it's still growing beans, but all the fruits, whatever they are, but they're no good. So that's my joint up there. The stairs that come down. I slipped down these stairs the other day. That's where I broke my rib. Coming down here in the pouring rain. Couldn't get up. I was in so much pain. Telephone slipped out of my hand. I couldn't reach that. I laid in the rain for 20 minutes until I got the power back to get up. There's the boundary. So that rubber plantation is my next door neighbour. My land's in here and the river's down there that we just walked around. All around there, and the river turns right in there somewhere and disappears. There's mangosteens there, that tree. Plenty of fruit on it at the moment. Another big old durian there. Yeah, that's where I slipped. My phone landed down here somewhere. I was laying here, hit me back on the corner of one of these. Laid there for 20 minutes, couldn't breathe. Knocked the air out of me.
It's the previous season. And see what's ahead of Kane's hand. It's not a lot at the moment. They're going to be patient with the ball.
Well, that's this video done. I know there's not a lot there, but not a lot going on at the moment with the lockdowns and everything, but I hope you enjoyed those little bits and pieces that I've thrown together. Just sitting here editing the video right now, having a quiet beer. It's a big bottle, looks like a Darwin Stubby, I know, but it's actually lower alcohol beer, one of the lowest alcohol beers here in Thailand. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it all. Don't know when the next video will be, but see you then. All my love to Enzi, Harlen, Zali and Indi. Pop messages.